how to transfer assets from Bitget to Binance. Now, to be able to do that, make sure to open Bitget app and make sure to log into your account. Now, after that, tap on assets and now select the spot from the top bar and click on withdraw. And now the assets, it could be Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, or any token that you have found on your account. Now, after you select your token, in this case, I will use, for example, USDT. Now click on it and now select the on-chain withdrawal. And after that, select the network as the BIP20 because it will cost you zero fee. Now to get to withdraw others of our assets, we need to go. Now after you open the Binance app and log into your account, now click on assets and now select the spot from the top bar. And now to get to withdraw others of our token, in this case it will be USDT. Now click on it. Now after that, set the BIP20 as a network as you set it before in the Bitget. Now after that, click on here to copy the withdrawal address of our token. Now go back to Bitget to be able to paste it here, as you can see. Now after that, you can see the amount that you want to transfer. And after that, click on withdraw and you will be able to receive your assets from Bitget to your Binance account. So this is how to transfer assets from Bitget to Binance. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.